Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we gather to celebrate and witness the union of two remarkable souls, Maria Elizabeth Tomasetti and Amol Patel. Your initial meeting started a spark that motivated you to become first colleagues, girlfriend, boyfriend, motivator, fiancé, and even emergently husband and wife after the Hindu ceremony last fall.
Maria, our only daughter, we watched grow up from a little chubby-cheeked girl with hair all over the place to this beautiful, strong, intelligent, competitive, feisty woman. Along with Amol, who I'm sure was as handsome when he was little as he is now, who's a super guy and actually everything that you would want for your father's daughter. This is the biggest, most important chapter in their life. And I know I can speak on behalf of the Patel family that we are thrilled that they found each other and are doing it together. They make a great couple, and they're going to have a tremendous life together, a very, very bright future. Spectacular.
Love you, Dad.
Love you too.
You look amazing. So
Spectacular.
handsome.
Well, really, you look.
Thank you. You can't make me cry yet, Richie.
I know.
Turn around and show me back. Amol.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Did you see me?
Yes. This dress is beautiful. You're beautiful.
Because you look so handsome.
I love you. I love you too.
As cliche as it sounds, I really did know, Amol, that when I met you for the first time at Maxima, that you were the one for my Ree. Now, I love that you've brought her down about 50 decibels. We all thank you for that. Maria, I love you more than I could ever put into words. You truly are a radiant light who was never meant to dim or shrink or fold into a place too small. And Amol, I want to thank you for loving her as she deserves to be loved.
Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like a volcano, and then it subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots are so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness. It's not an excitement. It's not the promulgation of eternal passion. That's just being in love, which any fool can do. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away. And this is both an art and a fortunate accident. Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one and not two. So now, by the power vested in me, it is once again my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife, and you may now kiss your bride.
It's great to stand up here today because after all these years, Amol has finally admitted that I am the best man. I've known Amol for my whole life, so I know how much of a great guy he is. He is brilliant, handsome, funny, charm. Amol, I can't read your handwriting. What's the last word here?